Thank you for reviewing TransCore Link Logistics LinkDispatch Truckload application. In this demo, I will review how to create an order, dispatch an order, invoice an order, and pay your driver. To create an order, click on the pencil. Double-click in the shipper box to use an existing shipper. To create a new consignee, right-click in the consignee box, add in the location. Double-click in the Bill To box to create a new Bill To or to add a Bill To. Select your appropriate requested pickup time and delivery time. Add in any pertinent reference numbers. Add in your weight, number of pieces, number of skids, and press continue. On the main order tab, you'll see that we have our order number, our status, all of our reference numbers, freight description, required equipment, whether this is an inbound or an outbound shipment, priority shipment, CSA or fast, and if a POD is required. If there's a salesperson required, you can add the salesperson to this order. They can be paid by either a gross margin or net revenue rate. On the rate tab, we have a variety of different rating methods, including a flat rate, per mile, hundredweight, skid, and any tariffs that you'd like to set up. The distance is calculated by our integration with PC Miler. And invoice terms and conditions can be displayed, as well as invoice notes and rating notes. I'll add in a flat rate. Currency can be selected as either Canadian or US. Fuel surcharge can either be allocated by percentage or by flat rate. Applicable taxes can be calculated. On the stops tab, you see here that we have our pickup stop and our delivery stop. By clicking on the add button, we can add in an extra pickup, delivery, or a switch. We can also view the trailer, drop the trailer, look at the by zone, or assign the shipment from the screen. LinkDispatch is integrated with TransCore LinkTrack mobile messaging, and on this screen you'll see any of the messages that we have. Customs broker can be added from a predetermined list, or you can add your own in. And these notes here on the order are internal notes. You can be as detailed as you like, and none of your customers will see these. Once the order has been saved, go to the dispatch board. The dispatch board has 4 different statuses: an open status, not picked up, en route, and delivered. By clicking on the open status, the order that I created will be here. Down below, you'll see the stops. At this point, I can assign a driver or interline this to an outside carrier. Once the order's been assigned, it will migrate to the not picked up board. If you're integrated with TransCore's LinkTrack system, you can change your status to dispatch, click on save, and an in-cab message will be created that will be sent to the driver with all of their dispatch information. Messages can also come back from the LinkTrack system to notify the dispatcher of arrive and depart, shipper, and consignee. With those messages coming back, as long as the order number is on them, the status here will automatically update. If you don't have the in-cab messaging solution, you can click on the status and change your status to arrived, modify the time if required, and then departed. Once the pickup has been completed, the order will go over to the en route board. On the en route board, you can arrive and again depart the consignee location. At any time, if you need to, you can double click on the order to get back into the order, modify the rate, or the stops if need be. Once the order has been delivered, it's ready for invoicing. To invoice, select the drop-down menu, Create Invoices, search on the rated, Select the invoice that you'd like to create the invoice for, or multiples if you have them, and create the invoice. Once the invoice has been created, it can be uploaded to Simply Accounting or QuickBooks, or you can, from LinkDispatch, select and print invoices, view the invoice, and then print it out. We have a variety of different invoice templates. To complete a driver payable, select the Approved Driver Payments, click on Search. You'll notice here that with the integration, we have 1,367 miles at $1.01 per rate. Your total payable is $1,380.67. Click on the checkbox, approve the payment, and continue. Again, the payable can be exported to Simply and QuickBooks, or you can enter in a payment through LinkDispatch. There's a variety of different reports within LinkDispatch, including activity order reports, fast reports, AR reports, AP, sales customer, as well as equipment and facility information that's there. At any time, if you need to see the location of your trucks and trailers, by clicking on the truck position window, clicking retrieve, you can see what the last status is of each of those trucks and trailers. Check calls can be added for manually updating status, and integrated with a GPS tracking system, any of the GPS positions will display on the screen as well. Thank you for considering TransCore Link Logistics LinkDispatch truckload application. Please contact your sales rep if you have any